Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Language Training Center, a new concept English video classroom. And today we will learn lesson 68. Sağdaşlı yaxşımsızlar. Bugünkü dersimiz kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Hamda bugünkü ders 68-ci ders. Şuna sizlar kitablarning biri. Şu 68 dersini açıp birga ko'rsanglar. Chunki bu video dersiki şu kitap bilan masqadan demoqchi. Yana bu kitap qanday desanglar intayin muhim. Bo'lsa, yeringizda bir kitob bo'lsin, hamda nima desanglar, shunda birlikda o'rganib ketsak. Xo'sh, oldingi darsni bir takrorlaylik deylik. Biz bu 68 dars o'xshashlar nima desanglar 67 darsniki takrori. Endi buni tilga olingan bir necha muhim nuqtalar bor. Buni masalan enjoy degan gap chiqdi, tushunami? Endi bu enjoy degan nayda xushal xuram o'ynamoq degan gap. Xushal xuram o'ynamoq degan gap. Hamda buningda masalan myself, himself deb chiqdi, tushunami? Hamda bu yerga qarasanglar, bu yer bir qator igilar bor, tushunami? I, Ben, Emma, the cat, we, they, you degan gap. Hamda bu birinchi qaranglar, enjoy ourselves. Okay. Hamda bu enjoy ourselves degan biz o'zimizdan qanday qila olamiz, o'zdirla olamiz. Ma our degan bizning mate ourselves bo'lsa, o'zlarimiz degan gap. Buning maskagini ma oldib tanlasak nima desanglar, we shunami? Anaqdan birinchi ayga maskagancha, ay degan men shunami? Hamda mening bo'lsa nima deytoq my, men o'zim bo'lsa myself. Demak, I enjoy nima? Myself. Okay, misharike I enjoy nima? Myself. Yake misharike I always enjoy myself. And pigligini tanlasak, qanday desanglar, tutashtirsak bo'lgan gap. Demak, I always enjoy myself. Nima? Hamda ben degan hamda o'g'il bola. U shunami? U bo'lgan degan nima? Him shunami? Himself. He always enjoy himself. Yaki Ben is enjoying himself. Ben nayt xushal xuram o'ynayapti. What about Emma? Emma degan ayolning ismi shunami? Bu Emma, okay, misharik Emma always enjoys herself. Okay, hamda bu shu qizlarga, ayollarga kelgan nima? Her, shunami? Enjoys herself. Okay, what about the cat? Okay, the cat, and the other cat thing, unung degan shu it. Buning bo'ladi, desang itself. Demak, the cat is enjoying itself. O o'zidan qanday qilyapti? O'zirlayapti. Okay, what about we? Biz degan gap bo'ldi, shunami? We, biz. Biz. And the we bo'lsa biz shunami? We always enjoys ourselves. Shunami? We always enjoy ourselves. And they, ular shunami? They always enjoy themselves. Shunami? They enjoy themselves. Demak, ularni aytib xushal xuram qanday qildi? O'ynaydi. What about you? You enjoy yourself degandek. Endi qaranglar. Reading match. Endi ma tuandagi ma'nosini, masalan, birinchisi you go there to see a doctor. Which place? It's a doctor's. Shunami? Doktorxona yoki bir ambulatoriya deymiz. Shunami? Shunimi? Doctors. So you go there to see a doctor. Hamda bu yerga aniqlimizga asosan, sharisiga asosan hamda shundan tanlangan gap. Masalan, he bought some what? He bought some hairdressers? No, he bought some stationaries. Okay, stationaries. Like stationaries deganda nimalar? Madaniyat buyumlari do'koni shunami? Masalan, 3x3 qalam, u bu narsani sotib olgan. Some erasers here, right? Erasers qo'yamiz. So she goes there to cut her hair. Okay, cut her hair bo'lsa, the hairdressers. Satrashxona shunami? Uning nima emas? Hairdressers. You know, I'm going there to what? To get some peas. Purchak degan gap bu. Endi buni nima deymiz? Greengrocers. Say kufta dukane. But greengrocers. You know, we are going to there to get some steak. The misharika new pie. Bunun nima desanglar, the butchers. Qanday nima ko'rishimiz kerak ekan? Qassobxonaga berishimiz kerak ekan. Onun deganda miyara muhim bir nuqta. U bo'lsin nima desanglar, mishariki in, on, at deganlarni ishlatilsa. Endi bu in deganimiz data, shunami? Odatda bu birga yillarning oldiga keldi. Masalan, in 1949. Yani birga oylarning oldiga keldi. Masalan, in October, in November, in December. Onun keyin ko'rsanlar, har xil fasllarning oldiga keldi. Masalan, in winter, in spring, in summer, in autumn deyilgancha. Endi yana ko'rsanlar, shu doir vaqtlarni, masalan, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon degandekcha. Tushdan burun, tushdan keyin mushlarni qanday desanlar, in kelgan gap. In degan cho'ng bir doirni bilamiz. Nima? Endi bu yerga on ko'rsanlar, bir kunlarning oldiga keldi. Masalan, on Monday, on Friday, on Children's Day, masalan, on June 1st. Endi men June 1st qarasanlar, voy ma'lum bu oy borkengo. Oy bu oy emas. Oy bilan kun bir. Demakki, aniq kunni ko'rsatadi shunami? January 1st degan birinchi oyning birinchi kuni. U aniq bir kun. Agar June 1st shunami? Endi agar bishari June bo'lgan bo'lsa, bunga in keldi. Masalan, in June, in September, in August degandek. Endi bu yergisi June nima? 1st. Okay? June 1st. 7-ci ayının, ya 6-cı ayının nimsə birinci günü. Demək həm də on aniq kunlarning oldiga keldi. Tushunalmi? Onun ekanında nima desanlar? At. Okay, həm də bu at deganimiz nima desanlar? Aniq bir nuqta. Masalan, aniq vaqtni bildirganlar. Masalan, at a quarter to 7 yoki at 6:45, at 7, at noon, at night degandek. Mesela at noon mı wanshga vaqti. At noon deymiz. At night. Demak hamda mushu in, on, at. Okay, mushu uchiniki muhim bo'lgan ishlatilishi. Okay, so let's get the ball rolling. Lesson 68. What is the time? Okay, what is the time? Soat qancha bo'ldi deydi. What is the time? So, what is the time? Okay, what is the time? Mesela ekrandaki saatlarni o'qiy olamsizlar bolalar. Mesela cho'ng soat necha o'pdi? 10dan 35 o'tib shunami? Odatda soat o'qiganda biz oldingi soatda bir qatam bir aniq eskartgan, agar minutlarni 30 dan cho'ng bo'lsa, manchidan manchi minut qoldi deymiz. Agar 30 dan kichik yoki tang bo'lsa, manchidan manchi o'tdi deymiz shunami? Endi ma'noda 10dan 35 o'tib shunami? Demak, manchi minut qoldi deymiz shunami? 25 minut qoldi, nechaga? 11 ga. Demak, 25, it's 25 to 11. 25 to 11. So, where were you at yesterday? deydi. Xo'sh, hamsa ma kalendarni bir o'qib baqalı bolalar. What date is it? Okay, what date is it? Ma birinchisidan nima desanlar? 2016 January 1st. Masna o'qibasam January 1st. Okay, hamda ma o sonlarga kelsak, savodlashlar har xil darajali sonlarni o'rgangan. Masalan, 1-chi, 2-chi, 3-chi, 4-chi, 5-chi degandek-ku. Hamda shu eng muhim, eng ta'sirli birinchisi, 3-chisigacha. Birinchisi deganda first. Okay, first. 2-chi deganda-ku second. 3-chi deganda-ku third. 4-chi deganda-ku fourth. Hamda keyiniga 4-ni keyiniga th. Ma'nima qatlib qolgan shunami? Mushlarni qilib qolsanlar, darajali sonlar chiqadi. Masalan, 1-chi, 2-chi, 3-chi, masalan, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th degandek, 8th, 9th, 10th. Mushlarning bo'ladi sonlar naqashniki tartib sonlar bo'ldi. Masalan, birinchi ayning birinchi deyishimiz kerak. Shunami? Shuni January 1st. Okay. Endi ikkinchisi qarasak nima desanlar, 2016da ikkinchi ayninki 14 ekan. 14. Bu nima desanglar? February 14th. February 14th. Ishlami? Endi keyingisi March 12th. All right? Bu nima deb o'qiymiz? March 12th. Keyingisi April 1st. April 1st. It means April Fool's Day, right? And yalg'onchilar bayrami, aldamchilar bayrami, ahmoqlik bayrami. Okay, what about next one? May 1st. Okay, May 1st. May 1st deganimiz shu 5-oyning 1. And keyingisi June 1st. Okay, keyingisi nima desanglar? June 1st. So, where were you on... Okay. Masalan, where were you on January 1st? Can you remember? Amsa, shu birinchi aynan birinchi kuni siz nari edingiz? Where were you on January 1st? Where were you on? Siz nari edingiz? Okay. And keyingisi qaranglar, keyingisiga masalan June. Okay, June 7th. Okay, birinchisini aytgan June 7th. 7-oyning nechisi? 7-kuni. Okay, and June 4th. 7-oyning 4-i nima? It's the Independence Day of the United States of America. And Amerikada mustaqillik kuni hisobda davlat bayrami. 7-oyning nechisi? 4-kuni. Okay, July 4th. Okay, July 4th. So what about August 1st? Of course, the same. August 1st. And the 8-oyning 1-kuni. 8-oyning 1-kuni. Oniki keyingisi September. Okay, September 10th. Okay, September 10th. And the September 11 bo'lsa, 11-sentabr vaqasi deymiz-ku. And the September 10th. Nechinchi kuni to'qinjani 10-kuni. Oniki, what about October? Okay, you know, October 1st. October 1st. Birinchi kuni. What about November 11th? Okay, November 11th. Onu dekincho December 1st. Demek endi oylarni o'qganda avval oyninkini deb uni dekincho manchinji desek qanday desanglar bo'ladi. July 7th, August 1st, September 10th, okay, October 1st degandekcho. So where were you on? Where were you on? Siz nari edingiz? Okay, look, sentence structure. And so where was Mr. Williams on Saturday 1st? Where were Mrs. Williams on January 1st? Look, where was Mrs. Williams? Where was she? Okay, you know, she was at the butcher's, right? We can say she was at the butcher's on January 1st. And biz oldin saat o'rgangan bolalar was were. Bu nima desanglar, shu BP'larning o'tgan zamon shakli. Masalan, am isning o'tgan zamon shakli was, arening o'tgan zamon shakli were. Demak, she was at the butcher's on January 1st. Okay, she was at the butcher's on January 1st. Ular birinchi ayning birinchi kuni narida qassobxonada edi. Qassobxonada qanda u birinchi ayning biri edi. Demak, endi bu o'tgan zamon, shunami? So, where was Mrs. Johnson on February 2nd? And said Johnson Khanım ikkinchi ayning ikkisi nari edi? At the greengrocer's. And the greengrocer's shu sayko'xtat nimasi adukkan. And the bunnim name is she was at the greengrocer's on February 2nd. On February 2nd. Demek o ikkinchi kuni nimada sayko'xtat dukkanda. You know, she was at the greengrocer's on February 2nd. Okay? Look and think. You know, Mrs. Williams was at the butcher's, right? Mrs. Johnson was at the greengrocer's. Endi bu yerga Johnson nerede sanla? So where were and past information. Endi demek endi bu yerga was, were endi nima sanla? Shu kuch. O'tgan zamonda bildirlar. Okay. Demek şu o'tgan zamondagi ma'lum uchurlarni qanaqa qilgan gap, o'zlagan gap. Masalan, Mrs. Williams was at the butcher's. Nerede? O qassobxona dedi. Mrs. Johnson was at the greengrocer's. And Johnson xonim nerede? Şu sayıqda dükkan dedi. Demek hem bu ilgirke. Demek hazır u yer emas, ilgiri burun şu yerda idi degenden derek berdi. So, hamda mishariki was, were ikkisini bir ishiltib baqayli savolashlar. Mesela birincisini misal qilib sizlarga ishlatmasam, I am 11 years old this year. Hamda men bu yil 11 yoshga kirdim. So, I was 10 years old last year. Hamda men o'tgan yilda qancha yosh edim? 10 yosh edim. Ana qog'ozlarga qarab qo'yinglar. Jimmy is at home now. He blah 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 at school yesterday. O tunugun maktabda idi deydi. Hamda bu shu 3-shaxs birlikka izmiti, uni o'tgan zaman shakllanmaydi was yaxshi. He was at school yesterday. He was at school yesterday. What about 3? Justin is at the stationaries on Tuesday. Mushu jumakini on Tuesday deganimiz nima? Seshanba. Shunami? Hamda seshanba Johnson nada dukkunida. And he was at the hairdresser's on Sunday. And u yakshanba kuni narida satrashxonada. Okay, what about number 4? They are at their mother's today. Ular bugun opasini uyda. They got us home yesterday. And they ko'plik shunami? Ko'plik nima keldi? Odatda BPL'dan or keldi, ordan o'tgan zaman shakli were. Demak, they were at Gaga's home yesterday. They were at Gaga's home yesterday. Again, what about number 5? We are at the greengrocer's at 8:30, right? So we were at the butcher's at 7 o'clock. Demek hamda soat 7da narida butcher'sda. Okay. So look more and talk. Okay, look guys. So where were they on March 3rd? Where were they on March 3rd? And the ular narrative March 3rd. March degan nima so'rashlar? March degan 3-ayning 3 ular narrative. Narkan bola maktabda ekan shunami? At school maktabda. Demak, they were at school on March 3rd. Ular 3-ayning 3 maktabda edi. Amsa yana qarab javob ber bola. So where was he on April 4th? At home. The name is where was he on April 4th? So we can call he was at home on April 4th. April 4th. So where was she on May 5th? Where was she on May 5th? And at the office. So you can say she was at the office on May 5th. Okay. So where was she on June 6th? Okay, where was she on June 6th? Right? Okay, at the grocers, right? And she was at the grocers on June 6th, right? She was at the grocers on June 6th. June 6th. So where were they on July 7th? Where were they on July 7th? Okay, and that okay, at church. And the one name is they were at church on July 7th. So where was he on August 8th? Okay, at the hairdresser. Demek ne diyeceğimiz? He was at the hairdressers on August 8th. Demek 8'den 8'e manarken şu erken. So where was he on September 9th? What about September 9th? And he was again at the baker's nama bulkhana yak navaykhana nama. Denimiz he was at the baker's on September 9th. Okay. What about she? She was, where was she on October 10th? October 10th. Okay, she was where? At the dairy. Okay, dairy is meslatları. Demek nama alkol, süt, kaymak degenlikten. She was at the dairy on October 10th. October 10th. Okay. Anastasya manındaki kısalar, where were they? Okay, where were they? Yani onlar kayada idi dedi. Hem bir yerde ki bir neçe orunlarını göstergen, ya da orunu göstergen bir neçe tuhaflık ibarlar var. Mesela qarab baksak, they were. Okay, ular neydi? Şunama, mesela they were at school, at home, at church. Deyip Müşeriki at school degenimiz hem de ular mektepte. Hem de bu mektepte degen ma söz bu turaqlıq ibara болып keldi. Ular mektepte. Hem de bunun ma'nisi nima desang, ular mektepte o'qiyotidi degenden derek beradi, hem de meyada. Şuna bunun aldığa ko'rsatkich artikel the-ni qanday qilmaydi desanglar, olmaydi. Hem de mesela balalarninki yoki shu yeri bo'lishi asosli maktab nima desanglar, o'qish uchun shundami? Demak, ular maktabda o'qiyotidi degenden derek berdi. Demek endi bu yerga bu shariki harakatni bekrak qanday qilib turdi desanglar, bizga ta'kidlab berdi. Agar endi bu yerga the school degancha, the school ma'aldiga aniq artikelni olsak, bular endi shu konkret ko'rsatayotgan maktabning o'zini ko'rsatadi. Masalan, o maktabda masalan, bugun to'p o'ynagan olgan bo'lsa, o maktabdan qo'rosda. Aniq shu qo'roni maktabning o'ylasining ishida ishkerligini bildirdi endi bu yerikisi. Şuna adeta bu adetga aylangan hamda ular maktabda shu maktabdagi maqsad shu nima desang o'qish. Demak, u o'qiyotdi, u maktabda degandan derak berdi. Shunga they were at school. Adeta buni nima qilmaysan at school. Uningdiki yancha uyda bo'lsa they were at home. Okay, uyda. Demak, shu uyda yoki aramelayotdi yoki uyda nima ish qiladi shundan qani nima desanglar, shu aramak ishlarga aniq shu turaqliq iborani at home and at church. At church deganimiz nima desanlar, shu chirkovda tilovat qilmoq, ibodat qilmoq, namoz o'qimoq degan ma'nolarni bildirdi. Shunga bu aniq nima desanlar, at church deb keldi. Agar at the church bo'lsa, shu aniq chirkovning o'zida deganda bu harakatni ta'kidlamaydi. Masalan, balki bu sayohat qilib hamda balki shu chirkovga borgan bo'lsa yoki chirkovda va yoki ma'lum narsa chirkov saqlaqlik yoki chirkovda degandek ma'nosi bo'lsa, nima at church bo'ladi. Onun için bazı isimler, mesela mesela muştan aldığa süpet kildiğen, adeta isimlerini aldığa süpetlep kelgen, şu süpetninki bana aldırı kildi bu. Hem de muştan okşaş hem de muşu kassapninki, navayninki, satraşninki, bunun digellerinin aldığımı nime erisanlar da kildi. Emniyette meğer ki at the butcher's degen, at the butcher's shop degen gel. Ma keyindiga ustiga pash qo'yilib, asqatilgandan keyin esa shop degan bo'lish kerak, batchu. Hamda buni qanday qilmagan desanglar, qisqartirib ketgan. Shunga ma'lum desanglar, they were at the butcher's, u go'sht do'konida, ular go'sht do'konida. They were at the hairdressers, ular satrashxonada. They were at the baker's, ular nima navayxonada. They were at the dairies. Okay, dairy was, müşarike, süt mahsulotlar do'konida. They were at the grocers, and the müşarike turli mallar do'konida. They were at the greengrocer, ular sayko'klar do'konida. Hamsa mana bir mashq qilib qo'yaylik, savollar. Qaranglar, I was at the church on Sunday. Okay, endi bu yerga go'ring da apesini bilish kerak. At the church emas, nima? At church. Demak, oldingi the aniq ko'rsatkich artikelni qanday qo'ydik? Qisqartirib aytdik. Shunga buni qanday qilmasligimiz kerak? The-ni yozmaymiz. Shunga I was at church on Sunday. Shu oldiga at bilan qanday qilgan gap desanglar, the-ni elitib at church bilan qilgan gap. Buni endi qanaqa qilib o'tamiz? Elib o'tamiz. Endi ikkinchisi, I was at office on Monday. Okay, endi men o'rta qismlarningki oldiga ko'pligini bildirib kelgan qanimi? Haligi ma'ni qanaqa qilamiz? D-ni qatimiz. Demak, I was at the office on Monday. The office on Monday. Okay, keyingisi, my son was at school on Tuesday. Seshanba kuni nada? Maktabda. My son was at school on Tuesday. On Tuesday. Ham to'rtinchisi, endi ma'noda nima desam, the deganni qanaqa qilmaymiz? Olmaymiz. Demak, at school shu maktabda o'qiydi. Seshanba kuni u maktabda qanaqa qildi? O'qiydi. Okay, to'rtinchisi, my wife was at butcher's on Wednesday. Endi bu yerga nima? At the butcher's qilgan gap. Bu yerga d-ni qanaqa qilamiz? Qistirgan gap. Okay, beshinchisi qarab baqsaq, she was a grocer's Tuesday. She was at. Bu yerga nima? The qanaqa qilib tursanlar? Kam qilib qolibdi-ku. And oltinchisi, my daughter was in country on Friday. Endi masalan sahra deganni ko'rsatdi, masalan in the country shnama. Ma'aldiga d-ni qanaqa qilgan gap desanlar, qistirgan gap. My daughter was in the country on Friday. Yettinchisi, I was at home on Saturday. Okay, endi bu yerga nima desanlar? At home. Home va qanaqa maydasanlar kelmaydi. Xo'sh, hamsa mashq qilib when were they at church? They were at church on Sunday. Okay, mushunga o'xshash birlikda yezib chiqilgan gap. What about this? Like Tom, hairdressers, Thursday. Okay. Tom, the hairdressers, Thursday. And buni nima savol qo'ygan nima? When was Tom at the hairdressers? Tom degan o'g'il bola shunga she was at the hairdressers on Thursday. Okay, bu yerda nima desanlar? Thursday bosh. Nima? Okay, what about Mrs. Jones, the butcher's Wednesday? Charshanba kuni. Nima? So, when Mrs. Jones, when was Mrs. Jones at the butcher's? Oh, qachon shu qasabxonada desa? She was at the butcher's on Wednesday. Ular qaysi kunda? Mushu charshanba kuni. Okay. So ban home Saturday. Okay, ban mushu Saturday shanba kuni narikan uydikan shnama. Demak, when was Ben at home? When was Ben at home? He was at home on Saturday. And so Justin, Justin, the baker's Friday. And the Misharike, Justin, Jumakan Narikan, Navai Handikan Shnama, and the Kachan Shuarati Boshua, when was Justin at the baker's? Okay, he was at the baker's on Friday. Good, he was at the baker's on Friday. He was at the baker's on Friday. Okay, on baker's on Friday. Okay, what about Mr. Williams' office? The Tuesday. And the miyarike qachon William apanda miyarite desanlar when was Mr. Williams at the office? Bu yerga nima? At the office. And he was at the office on Tuesday. He was at the office on Tuesday. And that I choose the best answer. And the o'lchamlik javoblarni tanlab berilgan. So where can you buy the bread and cakes? Where can you buy? A, at the hairdressers. B, at the bakers. C, at the greengrocer. And the qarabdan talab etsak nima? B. Albatta bu kuni shu at the bakers desa olamiz nima? Chashni adiyastimiz at the hairdressers. And the mevchigun nadalimiz at the greengrocers. Greengrocers. What about where are you going to stay in the country? Where are you going to stay in the country? And Sahra Naratru says, we are going to stay At my uncle's. At my uncle's. In my uncle's. Okay, mushundan nada? At my uncle's. Endi men yerga demakchi uncle's house degandan derak birlamish yerga uyda, shunami? Demakchi shu uncle'ninki uyda tug'moqchi. Tushunsa, the twins in Dalian last year. And the twins o'tgan yili bo'lgan ekan, they were, shunami? They were in Dalian last year and they are here now. Ular hozir qanday ekan? Mushar ekan. Okay, to'rtinchi qaranglar. Qaysini tanladinglar? So, who was on duty last Friday? On duty degan dejurni degan gap. Hamda o'tgan juma kuni kim dejurni edi deydi. Bu nima? Men edim bo'lsa, men I was. Okay, ma B bo'ladi. Beshinchisi. Okay. Was your father at work last Friday? Was your father at work last Friday? Desa, shunga was kelgan gap. Bo'ldi sadoshlar. Bizningki 68 dars oxirlashdi. Andaqda sizlar shu kitobdagi mashqni bizningki abay so'ziga mazmunlarni birlashtirib, tafsiriy bir ishlasanglar, buningki texmo cho'nqur his qila olasizlar, tushunasizlar. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.